So you finally got the new iPhone you've always wanted. Now, what's next? What apps do you need to install to help you appreciate the phone even more? Voice-to-voice and FaceTime communication are just a few of the features available on the iPhone. But there are some apps in Apple's App Store that convert your phone into a fitness tracker, encyclopedia, or language learning tool. The common challenge, however, is finding the best versions of those apps. Apple's App Store is crammed with millions of apps. And while some are worth having, others just occupy space. You shouldn't spend your time, data, and phone space on less productive apps. Stay with us in this video, as we will be looking at the 10 best iPhone apps and their uses. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. The first app on our list of 10 best iPhone apps is Kik. While many messaging applications require you to share your phone number with those you wish to communicate with, Kik simply asks for your username. Kik beat Facebook Messenger and Skype in the world of artificial conversationalists, with a bot marketplace featuring over 6,000 bots. The attractiveness of this youth-oriented software is enhanced by its group chat, photo and video sharing, and games. This app is available for free on the Apple App Store. Skype for iPhone is one of the top free iPhone communication apps. You can make video calls with the app and also text with animated emojis. A decent bot selection provides both fun and useful information. This iPhone app, like other Skype versions, allows you to call or chat with other Skype users for free, or purchase credit to call any other phone number, landline, or mobile. You may also get a phone number that allows others to call your Skype account from any phone. This app has a 4.0 rating and is available for free on the Apple App Store. Spark Mail is the next best app on our list of 10 best iPhone apps. Spark Mail has a clean layout that organizes your email into logical categories such as personal, newsletters, and notifications, though you can switch to a full inbox view if you want. It manages many accounts, but unlike Outlook, it does not group them into categories. The app is customizable with swipe actions that may be changed. It also allows you to pin critical information and snooze emails to be dealt with later. This app is available for free on the Apple App Store. Moving forward, the next app is Viber. With a 3.0 rating, Viber lets you send sticker emblazoned texts, make calls, engage in video chats, and place free calls to normal phones. It also allows you to smoothly transfer calls from mobile to desktop and vice versa. Although it requires your phone number, it encrypts communications. This app is available for free on the Apple App Store. The next app is Bing. This app has a 4.5 rating. People often forget that there are other ways to locate web pages, directions, videos, and photographs on the internet. There are some compelling reasons to consider alternatives to Google, as demonstrated by the Bing app for the iPhone. Bing offers a beautiful, clean, and easy-to-use interface. It keeps up in terms of features, including voice and camera input, as well as local information. Furthermore, rather than just a blank search bar, the Bing app's home screen provides local assistance and news choices. Bing is available for free on the Apple App Store. Elevate is the next app on our list of 10 best iPhone apps. It provides writing, listening, speaking, reading, and math training. You define your goals, and it graphically displays your performance in each of these categories once you've completed some fun tasks. All materials unlock for $39.99 per year. However, you may test everything for 30 days for free. This app can be downloaded for free from the Apple App Store. The next app on our list of 10 best iPhone apps is for lovers of podcasts. Do you enjoy listening to podcasts? Then we recommend that you download Downcast. Downcast has a wonderful interface, great features, and clever downloading options. It's ideal for podcast listeners who want a lot of control over their listening experience. Using geofencing, Downcast allows you to tailor not only how often the podcast catcher checks for new episodes, but also where you are while it does so. Apple.com charges $2.99 for this app, and it has a 4.5 rating. Now to an app for entertainment. The next app on our list of 10 best iPhone apps, Hulu. Hulu is the best service for legally watching new or vintage domestic and international TV shows shortly after they air. It also has some excellent films and a sizable anime library. With a Hulu TV subscription, you can even watch live programming. This app has a monthly fee that starts at $6.99. Hulu has a 4.0 rating on Amazon. The next app we'll consider in this video is Soundcloud. Soundcloud has become a worldwide audio sensation. The app has a beautiful and easy-to-use interface for listening to music. You can't ignore Soundcloud if you want something exceptional, or if you want to upload your music. The $9.99 a month Soundcloud Go option removes ads and allows you to save limitless offline tracks. Soundcloud Go Plus gives you access to a massive catalog of professionally released music. This app is available on Apple App Store for all iPhones. The last app on our list of 10 best apps for iPhone is Spotify. Spotify has a 4.5 rating. All of the world's music is available on demand. Spotify has a huge archive of music in every genre imaginable, and it even makes playlists based on your listening habits. You may now listen to podcasts and music on it, as well as download content for offline listening. From any other device, you may easily switch between your listening devices. Listen for free with advertisements or pay $9.99 per month for ad-free listening and other premium features such as 320 kilobits per second high-quality audio. This app can easily be downloaded from the Apple App Store. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.